Hey fam, it's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video. So in this video right here, we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing ASMR, nails. So stay tuned. So right here, I just have the nail kit that came from SHEIN, and it's a 24-piece set. So yeah, it comes with stickers that stick to your nails, and it's pretty much like, I want to say 3M tape. So I'm gonna just open this up and get right in here and show you guys what's included. So first steps first, guys, you want to make sure that you're cleaning your nails, and in this instance I'm using 50% rubbing alcohol, which is good because it dehydrates the nail and it also disinfects the nail, so it's like a 2-in-1. The next thing you're going to want to do is measure your nails out with the 3M tape, is what I'm going to call it. So you just want to make sure that the size that you pick for your nail is the size that will fit your nail. And right here I'm just showing you what I'm about to place on my thumb. After that, of course, you're going to want to go ahead and pick the nail size that fits your nails. This is something you would already have measured out. That's why I have my nails on the side. So you just go ahead and put that nail right on and press down. All in all, this is a really convenient way to do your nails, especially if you're new to the nail scene, and of course if you want to just go out with your girlfriends for a night out and are pressed for time. Me personally, I absolutely love these nails, but I would definitely want to glue them down with a nail glue, because the 3M tape thing, I felt like they were going to come off. They were adhered pretty well, but some of them did start to loosen up a bit, and I just feel more secure with, nail glue. All in all, fam, you've got yourself a nice, easy set to put on your nails in as little as 7.5 minutes. I'd say that's pretty good, especially if you're in a rush to go out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more videos. SHEIN definitely did their thing with this. I absolutely love these nails, the design, how quick and easy they were to put on. But like I said, I prefer to glue mine down. But stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified of more videos to come. Peace.